When you open up a jar of Nutella, you're opening up a moment to connect with each other and enjoy every bit. But how does that sound? Together with Massive Music, we set out to capture this feeling of enjoyment and create a sound that is consistent for all products while still flexible for adapting across touchpoints. We started with one of our key ingredients, the hazelnut, exploring what it could musically do, and added a distinctive vocal line on top, the universal sound of enjoyment, and wrapped it all up in a contemporary pop sound with a light-hearted energy, the Sound of Nutella. A sound that captures the values of the brand, spreads positivity, and is unmistakably Nutella.